Hi everyone, we are updating our batch filling feature, and in this video I will show you how you can use our new features that we added to batch filling, how you can use them effectively. So, as usual, to fill out any form in batch, we go to the Forms tab, and here on this page we upload the form that we need to fill out in batch. I prepared my form as the example. I took the form 69 planting report. I prepared the CSV data document with some sample data. So once the form is uploaded, here in the menu we choose fill out form in batch, and here is the feature, the first feature we added. We added the option to manually enter the information into the text box. So before, we just had an option to upload the CSV or XLS file that contains columns with the data that are needed to fill out the form in batch. But let's say we have the document and we prepared all the field that we need to fill out, but we forget to add the column, the signature date, as an example. So here is the form. The information is added to the CSV file, but the date column doesn't exist. So I'm just writing the prompt something like apply the June 6 date to all forms, and our AI will understand this and apply it to each PDF form generated after filling the batch. Okay, we added our prompt and we are clicking continue. Here on this screen we again can review our text information added, and let's generate a couple of PDFs to see how it works. Okay, there was the first one is generated. Let's wait for the second one. Okay, we've generated two PDFs, and here is another feature we added. We just click preview PDF, and here we can see how accurately the form was filled out. Each field has been populated correctly, even drop down, and here we can see our date option. Instafill also added this prompt correctly. So here is the second feature we added. We have the option to combine and merge generated PDF into one flat PDF. Here we can choose the number of pages we need to include into this flat PDF. So I just choosing the first page of the form because the second page doesn't contain any fillable fields. And here we go. Here we can see the first PDF option and the second PDF option combined into one flat PDF. And the third feature is you just can add the signature to these merged flat PDFs. So we just add in the signature and download the field form. In this ready to send document, we can see our both PDFs combined into one document, as well as the signature we added, the date we provided in the prompt on every form, and of course the data from the CSV document we attached. So I can confirm 100% accuracy for these field PDFs. We can generate the rest PDFs as well, and if necessary you can combine all of them into one flat PDF, sign it, date it with providing any prompt in the text box information. Okay, I hope this helpful. See you next time. Bye.